So let's start today's drawing. For that I will do plus sign. So this is going to be a guideline, so try to draw light. After that I'm going to take one point here and super skinny curve here, and this curve is going all the way. It's almost double of this size over here. And this will go up here. This side will go up this side. It's kind of like a big happy face, you can see. So now we can see this one is touching here. From here I will pull one line this side and this side too. So this one is going to be longer than this one. This is suppose like a one pencil or one finger spacing. If I will do, I will cross this one and make a rectangle shape. So I can see this size over here, same size I will do here, or a little bit bigger, that's totally fine here. And from here, this one is like suppose one finger, so this will be like almost not exactly two but more than one. From here I will try to curve and I will pick this point from here. So kind of it's a super curvy, not that much curvy but curvy. And from here we have to go somewhere here. For that I will make a line here, a small one, and I will try to connect from here to here this way, and same thing from here I will try, and it's going to be curvy. It's not going to be straight all the way here. So if you feel like it's not connecting properly, you can pull this one a little bit more up or this way, doesn't matter, and make this one curvy. This is just a little bit idea how to draw. From here to here we can pull this one going out like a little bit, and this one also going out this way. Now from here to here we will go straight here, and we can see this much length. Same length we will draw this side, and we will draw one square type of thing or rectangle. For me it looks like a square right now, and this is also not straight. It's kind of this line has to curve, so if it's going a little bit down, totally fine. Now from this point we will put this one little bit tiny up here, and from here it will be slanted this side, maybe this much, and we will try to curve. So they are matching here, so this much. So from this point we are going to pull this one this direction, and it will go this way. This one will come this side. It's a kind of like a big rectangle. Let me erase this one and make it a little bit more accurate. So this one is going this side and this line is going this side. Even though we are making this one long, doesn't matter. From here we will go straight this way. From here, and from the middle point over here we will try to make it kind of like an alphabet V, skinny one. Now we got all the guidelines and shapes. Now we have to curve them. So I will start from here. So this one is in and then out and slightly going in here to the middle point, so this way. So like alphabet S over here, and then slightly this way. So from here it's kind of like a curvy check mark. So here curve it, keep curving this one, and this is not that much pointy. Now also from here we were going outside here, and then it will go a little bit more out and curve this way. You can erase these guidelines or make it lighter so still you can see. This is kind of like a little bit straight, so what we can do, we can go back and make it more curvy. Now from here we are going to start another line all the way to this line. This first line we did plus sign one, all the way to this first one. And from here we are going to draw one kind of like again going up, or I don't know, this is just a curvy line for me. And from here we can turn this one and it will go almost here. If I'm thinking this line is coming here, so this much. Now we can start from here, and this line, it will go a little bit down, maybe this much. We can start from here, and I think it's getting really confusing right now. So what I can do, I can, even this one I can make it a little bit lighter, so it will be a little bit easy to understand. So still I can see this plus sign here and this middle line. So when I'm coming from here, can you see this plus sign, this one here, make a tiny triangle here. So this will go all the way here, this way, and this will start from here, and this is touching over here, so a little bit down here. So it's kind of like a just curve here. It's nothing, it can go a little bit up and down, that's totally fine. And we will stop next to this line here. From here I'm going to pull one curvy line here, and the other one is going to come from, suppose this one is coming here and it has to go all the way here. So we can start from here and go here like that. So again I'm going to start, so this line is starting from here, it's going here all the way, and then it's turning here, it's going all the way to this rectangle. So this is the line. Let me make it a little bit dark, and we can erase later this way. So again we are going to start here. This line is kind of like a guideline, the middle one, so you can make it lighter if it's really confusing for you. So I'm doing a little bit zigzag so I can still see the dotted line here. All the guidelines little bit zigzag style, so it won't be that confusing. So we started here, this line over here, so we are going to draw one tiny alphabet V but curvy style, and we will erase this line from here. You can pull this line a little bit in. Here this is the fin, so we are going to erase whatever we can see from inside. Now we did this one, so we will erase everything from this one too. Start from here, and we can do a skinny double line here. Same thing, we can do double line here too. Now we will start from this side, so this is kind of very sharp here like this, so it can be a little bit bended but soft, not sharp, like not this way, it can be like softly bended like this. Same thing over here, I will try to bend but softly. And this one we did here, so not here. If you will draw a straight line, little bit up over here, we are going to draw one line like this, and a smiley face or alphabet C, but curvy. Do not make pointed here, this is curvy. So now we will start on this area. So we can see this is the line. We will do tiny triangle here, and this is the point when it's curving. So from here I will start, and I will curve this one, and it will go this direction. So you can start from here, curve like alphabet U, skinny one, and this one will come all the way to here. It's look really skinny right now, so what I'm going to do, maybe I can pull it from here. So these are the corrections you have to see, and then adjust everything according to your drawing. This one is a little bit more tilted I want, and I want this one to go a little bit up and then slightly go down like this. Kind of like a wave we are doing. So it's up here and then down here, then it's going. So now it's a big triangle here. Now we are going to work on this area. So this is the line. I will start from here, and I will start from here, and I will make a alphabet U. So when I'm drawing, I'm also looking this one. So this is skinny and this is a little bit wide. So I can start from here and make it more skinnier here. And then I will do double lines over here. To curve all of them. And then I will start from here. And same thing, I will start from this side. And I will do double lines. Then I will erase this line because I don't need that. Even here I don't need all these lines anymore. This line, if you want to, you can keep, or you can erase that one. That's totally fine. So you can see my line is touching here. So I will not give big gap here, not in the middle. This side I can use this line over here or little bit down. That's totally fine. Very close to this one. From here and here, this is going to be flat here, and then it's going to be curvy like a leaf. When we draw, it's the same thing. This side, like leaf, we draw this way, right? So it's only half way we are doing that, and we can do doubles here. So just think about the leaf. Leaf will draw this way, and this way is only half area we are using over here. Corner here we can place the circles, the eye, I think, and then we can do this here. This line will be here to show that it's folding, also here. Now for the shading, we can start from here. This is the point, and we will go almost like in the middle. Let me make it a little bit dark. Here, this is the point we will start, and this is the corner. So this one, so it's same color here, so we will erase this part. And for this one, we are going to start from here and we will end here. This is the area we are going to do shadow. For this one, we will start from here. It will go just a little bit this way and half, almost half. You don't have to exactly follow the same thing. And this area is going to be dark. So I'm going to start with the medium gray. So this is medium gray I'm doing. Now I'm going to use dark one.